Hello, Adam here from SCC. I want to give you a little tutorial on what to expect for the TIG competition. As you enter the booth, you're going to have a variety of materials on the table. We're going to have enough coupons to create your weldment. We're also going to have one spare piece. This is a piece of scrap you can use to experiment on. We're also going to supply you with a couple pieces of 16th inch diameter filler. We look at our torch here. That's going to be assembled for you, complete with a tungsten in it. It's assembled with gas lens style parts. It's a 3/32 diameter tungsten electrode that's ground to a taper. You're also going to be supplied one backup tungsten that's also ground to a taper. So if you make a mistake, you've got a redemption round there. Moving on to the machine itself here. You're going to have an inverter-based DC power source. This thing's set up for DC electrode negative operation right now. It's set up for what we call standard remote operation, meaning clicking that pedal will start your gas flow, your welding current, and your high frequency start. If you look at your peak amperage on the panel there, and we floor this, that's when you're going to get your peak amperage. Anything less than floored will be some percentage of that. I'm going to have advanced features like the pre-flow and post-flow set for you already. So the only thing I recommend that you adjust is the peak amperage, if you see fit, and if you'd like, the gas flow rate, which will be on a flow meter mounted on the wall here. Both should be set to a roughly appropriate starting point, so if you don't want to fuss with that, you don't have to. Hello, this is another variation of essentially the same power source. I don't want folks to be intimidated by the different look of this panel and its controls. Just like before, I'm going to have the advanced features set up for you, things like post flow and all that. So the only thing I recommend that you adjust is this main amperage control here, if you so choose. Otherwise, it'll be set at 125 amp baseline for you. It'll be set up with the same standard remote operation as before.